생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 거리에서 사진 및 도움을 요청할 때
Excuse me, could you take a photo of me in front of this mural?
Sure. Do you want it portrait or landscape?
Landscape, please. I'd like the whole mural in the background.
Got it. Ready? Say cheese.
Thanks so much. Could you check if it's not blurry?
It looks great. You're perfectly in focus.
That's a relief. By the way, can I ask one more thing?
Of course. What do you need?
I saw this sign, but I don't understand the language.
No problem. It says the museum is closed on Mondays.